You guys, I mean, it's giving. It's giving. I have to take a photo because what? What? Y'all. Okay, Cricut. Thank you. Thank you so much. What's up, guys? It's Diera. I'm back with another video, and today I am so excited to bring you guys another entrepreneurial vlog. Today's video is in collaboration with Cricut, and if you guys have never heard of Cricut before, Cricut makes smart cutting machines that can cut materials from vinyl to leather, literally hundreds of materials. And today I used their smart iron on vinyl and created this beautiful branded merch crew neck. So I'm going to show you guys how to make this, but before we hop into the video, you guys, Cricut has a free software called Design Space, so you don't have to worry about creating projects outside from some other software. You can do it right within their little network and world, and then it'll send it right to your cutting machine. You can do it from your mobile phone or from your desktop. And you guys, I am just so proud that as a Black-owned, woman-owned business, I can kind of relieve the pressure of having to outsource getting my products made. If I want to, I can do it right from home. And not only that, I can create marketing materials like thank you cards, I can cut stickers, I can do so many projects, and I'm so ready to let my creativity flourish. So thank you so much to Cricut for sponsoring this video. If you guys are interested in seeing how I made this new crew neck and bucket hat, then just stay tuned. Alright guys, we made it to the heat press. This is also a tool that's provided by Cricut. As you saw, I finished weeding my vinyl and then I layered it on. This is the smart vinyl, which makes it so easy to adhere to your materials. So I start with the pink layer, then I add a few small details, and then I add 1/3 layer of white vinyl, and voila. Look how gorgeous it is and how easy. And then of course, you got to add your logo or your brand. And then I just added a little spice to my life with a bucket hat. Oh, I'm in love. You guys, I literally cannot stop taking pictures because this is so freaking cute. Black's my favorite color, okay? And I'm just so proud. I'm so freaking proud. I'm so freaking proud. I did this. I really did this. Do we like? Is it a vibe? These were really my first two projects. You guys, I am so elated. Can you tell how happy and how proud I am of myself? You guys can do this too. I'm going to leave a link in the description box so that you guys can go ahead and grab your Cricut ASAP. If you don't already have a Cricut or a heat press, just go check out some other YouTube videos. I promise it will sell you. This is for DIYers, people who like to make projects at home, for small business owners. It's for everybody. So I'm looking forward to creating more stickers. I also want to make thank you cards from there so I don't have to cut them by hand. It's a cutting machine. It does it all for me. It's so simple, so easy. You guys, there's so many more ideas that I have in my head, but if you have a YouTuber that you love to watch who makes Cricut videos, definitely link them down below because I'm gonna go on a binge. challenge. Thank you for watching today's video. Thank you so much, Cricut, again for sponsoring, and I just am so excited. I can't stop saying it. Can you tell? So it's gonna be a great journey ahead. You guys stay tuned for the next Wildly Written drop, and be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Until next time, bye.